Wasemlazi vela ngenwana lana inyoni wena orekhodayo inyoni nawe inyoni nani inyoni Phetha ungahle ngiyakawuza
Angendawo lokukawuza akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi uyaphi.
Ukusangana lokho sekwenzayo la kuthina. Ukusangana lokho sekwenzayo.
Oh.
uyayazi impama uyayazi na impama
Ephelile uzocojwa vele iphelile.
akekho umuntu ongathi uyazi ngekusasa lakho uyazi uqamba amanga
Shuthi siyaphila ogwayi uzophela. Shuthi siyaphila ogwayi uzophela ungawubhemanga ngoba ngiyakurecord.
Cela ungihloniphe
Shuthi ngekubheme. Ngekubheme. La ngizokulandela. Yabo nje ubuhlezi uhlupha ngayo. Ngizokulandela. Uzokulandela. Sengikushuthile. Sengiqedile.
Ma ngathi urecord ivideo
Sengiqedile. Hayi sengiqedile.
cela ukuhamba ke noma
Hamba mfethu siyaphila. Ngizoyiposta. 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 Ngithi live futhi siyabonga.
Ufuna simenze nje.
Live futhi siyabonga.
Bangela umsindo okubangayo nje.
Yabo nje ku TikTok kwami ngizoba nama followers manje. Anginayo i-content. Record usiyapi every day. Mayiqhamuka jika ngekhona nje mfethu ngithi record. Athule every day. Athule every day. Athule ngoba uzowenza opposite eloko edlala la eloko engabe yovula ishow la. Ayifethu angivuyazi ngine content manje ngizoyifaka TikTok. Bafethu hayi kahle wena sikufuna ku TV bafethu nangu siyaphi bafethu ukhona la elokushini kulungile vela ngikaze ngifihle hawe ma
baba namadinge qewu baqhusela sibakhenjela eham yo zanzolo ihewu
ngcono ngoba ngishilo ukuthi ngizoyiposta ku TikTok angazoke zokuba ngesicefe la mayisi trend
ekseni kangaka vela phefuke iwe mahlokofu vela phefuke makhumeni bo yini majikela zinqene ngathi umthinta njalo
content khuleka yabo mayisebuyele ku TV uzobe sehambela phezulu uzabe sihambela phezulu
yazi umfowethu ukusaphi umwanakho umfowethu ngazi kahle
siyaphi wathi wasemlazi kuselimathunzi
ewaphatheka kahle
sikhona sabantu sikhule naye
mfethu ngathi
wathi wasemlazi
ewaphatheka kabi wonke umngane amathi mfethu zolandela wena manje uvikinda yakazulu asamse kazulu
esamsekazulu hayi ngeke ngiyayivala phela ngeke ngikulandele
awuyi kazulu
hayi ngeke ngisahlile soqhubeka ngelinye ilanga
samxhosa sekazulu
ngiyazi uzoqhamuka noma inini
samxhosa sami sekazulu
bye bye siyabonga
mayakho uyabalela
bye bye.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgostos Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend Siyabonga Khatebe. Siyabonga Khatebe is a South African actor, singer, writer, and uphinde futhi abe a stand-up comedian. Akaqinanga lapho ke na ubile-ke i-director. He was best known for the roles in television serials and soapies such as Home Affairs, Saints and Sinners, Ring of Lies. Sagcina kumbona laphana ku-Uzalo adlala irole yaVika. So kune-picture yakhe nema-video la-circulator lapha kuma-social media platforms lasabalalise mngani wakhe lo bekamthatha ama-video angafuni nkosi yami uloku yamtshela ukuthi ungangithathi ama-video yo lo mngani was just taking videos of the guy look I'm shooter guys, and people felt ukuthi like he was being really disrespectful. Umshutha kanjani mngani wakho akulesiya simo because of nakuhlekisa ngaye. So people are saying ukuthi uzama kwenda inhlekisa ngaye just for my likes. Waphendula ke mfana wathi kodwa guys ngokupost umngani wami seningaze nithi uyahlanya. I don't care ukuthi anithi I'm a bad friend ngoba vele siya I know where we stand yazi nisazomangala. So people were saying ukuthi to this guy ukuthi why uthathe ama-pictures nema-video emngani wakho akulesi simo, why are you doing that, why uba yi-fake friend. So people are just saying ukuthi cha ayilolo kwentako ku-off ufuna kokuthi live lihleke emngani wakho lihleke siya kokuthi siya sowile because of you, why umthatha ama-video. Ubathi siya uyamtshela ukuthi hayi ngomthatha ama-video and you could see ukuthi like he's so uncomfortable akafuni uloku uyamthatha ama-video wenda uyale umthatha ama-video uyale ufuna khipha futhi le part lela tobona khona ukuthi it's gonna embarrass him. Like why guys, like laba mangani they are so fake, bama fake njena. It's so sad ukuthi kunebantu labadinyoka guys laba surroundile yet we don't even know, you don't even see because we think ukuthi they are our friends and they are not. Nje lo mfana lona maka-embarrassa kangaka like ngibabe lo mdzala futhi akusena mfana lo ngibabe lo mdzala bhuti lasakhulile who's supposed to be matured but akayiboni ukuthi le nto la yendako i-wrong. Wala abantu bangacide bangacabanga ukuthi wamthatha ama-video because uhlala nebantu phela elokishini they know ukuthi unjani. Wayibona baqabanga ukumthatha ama-pictures nema-video baposte on the internet but imngani wakhe ukwendile lokho kuthatha ama-picture fathatha ama-video la kwahleka sahlekisa ngaye-ke amposte epagini lakhe so that dato khona kuthola ama-likes baviewe abantu babone ukuthi hey ayusiya sowile man hayibo. So people are really concerned about the guy ukuthi cha impilo ave imatima but the fact that u-expose wemngani wakhe, it says a lot about Bangani Shem. It says a lot about Bangani. Kokuthi mngani nje uyakhona ukuthatha kubeke like on the spot so that live likhone kuhlekisa ngawe. It's not ukuthi ufuna kumsida. Why makabona ukuthi cha usiya ke kesimeni lesi right angamsidi as a friend. Why are you taking videos of the guy who poste ku social media just for likes nema views? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.